Now next is question number 5. 8 metallic spheres, each of radius 2 mm, are melted and cast into a single sphere. Now you have 8 small metallic sphere, okay, whose radius is 2 mm. Now you have to melt all those 8 metallic spheres and convert into one single sphere. So when you convert that 8 metallic spheres into single sphere, okay, you have to find its radius. So here small sphere is whose radius is 2 mm and large sphere whose radius is question mark. Okay, so when you convert those 8 metallic spheres into large sphere, okay, its volume, the volume of large sphere will be equal to total volume of those 8 metallic sphere. So volume of a single large sphere is equal to 8 into volume of small sphere. Now you know formula to find volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Capital R I am using here because this is large sphere, and for small sphere I will use small r. So 4 by 3 pi cancel. R cube is equal to 8 into r is small r is 2. 2 cube is 8 again. So 8 8 ja 64. So r cube is 64. So 64 can be expressed as 4 cube. So capital R is 4. So the radius of large sphere is 4 mm. Next, the volume of one sphere is 27 times that of another sphere. So here you have two sphere, okay. Volume of one sphere is 27 times than that of another sphere. So one is large sphere, another is small sphere. So you have to find the ratio of their radii, means ratio of their radius, then ratio of their surface areas. Now here small sphere and large sphere, radius we will take small r, and large sphere we will take its radius capital R. And according to question, volume of this large sphere is equal to 27 into volume of small sphere. So formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube capital R cube, and here small r cube. So here you can cancel this 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 27 into small r cube. So you can take this r cube on the left hand side. So capital R cube by small r cube is equal to 27. Here you can add here 1. So you can write this as capital R by small r whole cube is equal to 27 is 3 cube. So 3 by 1 whole cube. Now cancel this cube. Capital R by small r is 3 by 1. So the ratio of their radii is 3:1. Next is you have to find their surface area, ratio of the surface area. So surface area of large sphere divided by surface area of small sphere. Surface area is 4 pi r square. So capital R square here and here small r square. 4 pi cancel. So we can write capital R by small r whole square is equal to capital R by small r. Just now we got 3 by 1. 3 by 1 square is 9 by 1, which is 9:1.